You know, a few years ago, I was struggling to make ends meet, working long hours at a job that drained my energy and left me feeling stuck. One evening, a friend introduced me to the concept of wealth manifestation, and I decided to give it a try. It felt strange at first, but I started to visualize my goals and affirm my financial success daily. Within a few months, opportunities began to flow into my life effortlessly. I received unexpected job offers, financial gifts, and my investments grew beyond my expectations. This powerful practice transformed my financial situation, and I believe it can do the same for you. Many viewers haven't subscribed yet. I'd love to invite you to subscribe to this channel. It's completely free, and it makes a huge difference.
We often think that hard work is the only way to achieve wealth. Society has drilled into us the idea that we must toil endlessly to see any financial gain. However, the power of the mind and the practice of wealth manifestation can turn this belief on its head. Manifestation isn't just about wishful thinking. It's about setting a clear intention and aligning your thoughts and actions with that intention. When you begin to visualize wealth, you create a mental image of what you want to achieve. This is not just daydreaming, but a focused and purposeful exercise. You picture yourself enjoying the fruits of financial abundance, feeling the emotions that come with it, and living the lifestyle you desire. This practice starts to rewire your brain to recognize and attract opportunities that align with your vision. Affirmations play a crucial role in wealth manifestation. By repeating positive statements about your financial success, you begin to shift your mindset from scarcity to abundance. Phrases like, "I am open to receiving unlimited wealth," or "money flows to me effortlessly," can transform your internal dialogue. These affirmations help to dissolve limiting beliefs and negative patterns that have been holding you back. Another key aspect is gratitude. When you express gratitude for what you already have, you open yourself up to receive more. Gratitude shifts your focus from lack to abundance, making you more receptive to positive changes. Start each day by acknowledging the wealth you currently possess, no matter how small it may seem. This attitude of gratitude can attract more prosperity into your life. Taking inspired action is also essential. While visualization and affirmations set the stage, action brings your goals to life. Pay attention to the ideas and impulses that come to you during your manifestation practice. These are often nudges from your subconscious, guiding you toward the next step. Act on these ideas without hesitation, as they are the bridges between your current reality and your desired outcome. Letting go of resistance is another critical factor. Often we unconsciously block our own progress by holding on to doubts and fears. It's important to release these negative emotions and trust in the process. Practice letting go of the need to control every outcome and allow the universe to work in your favor. Trust that what you seek is also seeking you. Meditation can enhance your wealth manifestation practice. Regular meditation helps to calm the mind, reduce stress, and increase focus. It creates a space for you to connect with your inner self and align with your higher purpose. Through meditation, you can deepen your visualization and affirmation practices, making them more effective. Consistency is key. Like any other habit, wealth manifestation requires regular practice. Dedicate time each day to visualize, affirm, express gratitude, and meditate. Over time, these practices will become second nature. and you will start to notice shifts in your financial situation. It's also beneficial to set specific financial goals. Whether it's saving a certain amount of money, paying off debt, or increasing your income, having clear goals gives you direction. Write down your goals and revisit them regularly. This helps to keep you focused and motivated. Pay attention to your financial habits. Manifestation is not just about thinking positively, but also about making wise financial decisions. Educate yourself about money management, invest wisely, and be mindful of your spending. Combining practical financial habits with manifestation practices can accelerate your journey to wealth. Be patient and persistent. Wealth manifestation is not an overnight process. It requires time and dedication. Trust that the seeds you are planting today will bear fruit in the future. Keep your faith strong and continue your practices, even if you don't see immediate results. Stay open to new possibilities. Sometimes, the path to wealth may come in unexpected ways. Be flexible and open-minded about how your financial success might unfold. The universe often has a way of surprising us with opportunities that we hadn't considered. And most importantly, believe in yourself. Confidence and self-belief are powerful allies in the manifestation process. Trust in your ability to create the life you desire. Know that you are worthy of financial abundance and that you have the power to manifest it into your reality. Wealth manifestation can be likened to tuning into a frequency of abundance. Just as a radio picks up signals when tuned to the right station, your mind attracts wealth when it resonates with the frequency of prosperity. This alignment begins with recognizing and eliminating thoughts that undermine your financial well-being. Replace them with thoughts that reflect abundance and success. Another powerful tool in wealth manifestation is visualization through vision boards. Create a board filled with images and words that represent your financial goals and dreams. Place it somewhere you can see daily. Each time you look at it, you reinforce your intentions and keep your focus on what you want to achieve. This visual stimulus serves as a constant reminder and motivator. Journaling is also a helpful practice. Writing down your goals, your progress, and your reflections on your journey can clarify your intentions and solidify your commitment. Journaling allows you to track your growth and acknowledge the milestones along the way. It's a tangible way to see how far you've come and to stay motivated. Set specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART goals. Break your larger financial aspirations into smaller, manageable steps. This approach not only makes your goals feel more attainable, but also gives you a clear roadmap to follow. Celebrate each milestone you reach, as these small victories build momentum. Mindfulness is crucial in this process. Being fully present in each moment helps you to recognize opportunities as they arise. It also allows you to make conscious choices that align with your financial goals. Practicing mindfulness can reduce stress and enhance your overall well-being, making you more receptive to positive changes. Align your environment with your goals. Your surroundings can influence your mindset and energy levels. Declutter your space, organize your finances, and create an environment that supports your wealth-building efforts. A clean, orderly space can foster a sense of control and readiness. Investing in self-education is another key element. The more you know about financial management, investments, and wealth creation, the better equipped you are to make informed decisions. Develop a habit of saving and investing. Even small amounts set aside regularly can grow significantly over time. Explore different investment options and find what works best for you. The act of saving and investing is a practical step that aligns with your manifestation efforts, grounding them in reality. Stay flexible and adaptable. The path to wealth is rarely a straight line. Be prepared to adjust your plans and strategies as needed. Flexibility allows you to navigate obstacles and take advantage of unexpected opportunities. It also helps you to maintain a positive outlook, even when things don't go as planned. Practice generosity. Giving back to others not only feels good, but also creates a flow of positive energy. This can be as simple as sharing your knowledge or as significant as donating to causes you care about. Generosity reinforces the belief that there is plenty to go around and keeps the cycle of abundance moving. Foster a positive self-image. How you view yourself directly impacts your ability to manifest wealth. Work on building your self-esteem and confidence. Affirmations, positive self-talk. While financial success is important, it's also crucial to nurture other aspects of your life, such as health, relationships, and personal growth. A balanced life enhances your overall happiness and makes you more effective in achieving your financial goals. Develop a strong work ethic. While wealth manifestation focuses on attracting opportunities, taking action is equally important. Be diligent, proactive, and committed to your goals. Hard work, when aligned with a positive mindset and clear intentions, can yield remarkable results. Maintain a long-term perspective. Building wealth through manifestation is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay patient and keep your eyes on the bigger picture. Trust in the process and stay consistent with your practices. Over time, the cumulative effect of your efforts will lead to substantial financial growth. Regularly review and adjust your goals. As you progress, your aspirations may evolve. Periodically assess your goals and strategies to ensure they still align with your vision. This ongoing reflection helps you stay on track and make necessary adjustments to stay aligned with your wealth manifestation journey.
Manifesting wealth is a powerful process that can change your financial reality. By aligning your thoughts, beliefs, and actions, financial abundance becomes within reach. Start today with small steps. Visualize your goals, affirm your success, express gratitude, and take inspired action. For more insights and tips on manifesting wealth and living a prosperous life, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Don't miss out on the chance to transform your financial future. Share this video with others who might benefit from these powerful practices. Thank you for watching.